and my dear children. Today Shri Kailash Manas Vidya Mandir is celebrating 4th annual function. So I took pleasure heartily to welcome you all on the special occasion of Shri Kailash Manas Vidya Mandir. As you already know about our annual planning which we are giving to the students every year. So I won't tell you anything about it, but this year we introduced model paper from nursery to standard 4 and environment workbook for standard 3rd and 4th, which includes model paper as well as revision for all the 4 unit tests and annual exam. We have also got good result of it. Our aim of giving model paper is that students can come out of fear of question paper and exam and develop themselves as well. It doesn't mean that everything will be asked from model paper. Model paper is only for practice. Every year on 26th January, we are arranging educational exhibition. This year, English medium students presented 30 projects on different subjects. Students were doing experiments also, and they were explaining to the parents in English. We have got good review from parents about it. I personally thank for it. Teachers in our school are always trying to encourage the students in every activity and studies, but we are not getting enough response from parents. Many parents are sending their child with dirty dress, long nails, long hair, etc. and teachers are giving remarks in diary, but parents don't have time to check the diary. Many parents don't know even which standard their child is studying. So I request the parents to send your child neat and clean regularly. I hope you will follow my request and do accordingly. Thanks for supporting all the years through. Jai Hind! Jai Gujarat!
Do you know, Nikita? Dancing is also an exercise which makes you happy and healthy.
So, to make it happy and healthy, our students on Sunday 9 and 10 are coming with the song Move Your Body.
Now listen, get up. That's right. Stand up. Clap your hands, man. Yo, I make you wanna dance. I make you wanna move. I just do soleil. I can put you in the mood. I make you wanna dance. I make you wanna move. I just do soleil. I can put you in the mood. Move your body now, shake your body now. Body खाते लहरा के hit the body now. तुझे सीने से मैं अपने लगा ले, तुझे बाहों में छुपा ले. Come closer to my body now. Move your body now, shake your body now. Body खाते लहरा के hit the body now. तुझे सीने से मैं अपने लगा ले, तुझे बाहों में छुपा ले. Come closer to my body now. गन बढ़ गई ऐसा से चल गई. किसी एक लड़की से मेरी आज नजर जो लड़ गई. सारे नाल कर ले पार्टी, थोड़ी सी लगती है naughty. फीकी फीकी रात हो गई. सारे नाल कर ले पार्टी, थोड़ी सी लगती है naughty. फीकी फीकी रात हो गई. Girls them go crazy, boys them go crazy. Do the next lap, baby. Let's get down. Girls them go crazy, boys them go crazy. Do the next lap, baby. Let's get down.
बिना वजह कभी मुझे पे बहाने, हर तरह से छुप छुप के इशारे, और नहीं कभी किसी भी बहाने से. कोशिश भी मैंने कर दी सारी, इस लड़के से आज हारे का तुम्हारी, इस दिल से कटे न दबाने से.
उलझन के पड़ गई, ये कैसी बातें कर गई. मोहब्बत क्या वो मोहब्बत जो दुनिया से डर गई. सारे नाल कर ले पार्टी, थोड़ी सी लगती है naughty. फीकी फीकी रात हो गई. सारे नाल कर ले पार्टी, थोड़ी सी लगती है naughty. फीकी फीकी रात हो गई. And tell my love story. Would you do anything for me? लगता है मुझको तू चोर, 'cause you stole my heart from me. जब touch me slowly. जब put your hands on me. जब just can't stop. जब चोरी चोरी. Shake your body now, बाल खा के लहरा के hit the party now. तुझे सीने से मैं अपने लगा लूं, तुझे बाहों में छुपा लूं, कहाँ कैसा तुम बाबी now. गन बढ़ गई, ऐसे चढ़ गई. एक लड़की से मेरी आँख जो लग गई. सब ना कर ले पार्टी, थोड़ी तो लग दी है naughty. फीकी फीकी रात हो गई. सब ना कर ले पार्टी, थोड़ी तो लग दी है naughty. फीकी फीकी रात हो गई.
Okay, that's it.
me help you?
No, no. I am late. I must go now. Goodbye.
I am sorry, Raghu. Very happy. You can help us now. Finish your breakfast. Raghu, come and play football. I have no time to play today, woman. Why? What are you doing? I am working. I am watering my vegetables. They will be the best in the village. Why? What are you doing? I am growing peas, tomatoes, beets, brinjals, flaxseed, and cabbages. Cabbages? Do you like cabbages? No, I don't. I am going to sell them all in the market. Good luck. I am playing football. Bye.